Sunlight paints the forest floor as a mother bird, feathers ruffled, diligently seeks sustenance in the tranquil woods. She spots a ripe, red apple gleaming invitingly, a burst of color against the green. In her nest, nestled in an ancient oak, she tenderly feeds her eager chicks, a picture of idyllic harmony. Skeletal trees claw at the sky in a burned forest. Wisps of smoke paint streaks of gray across the horizon. Tiny birds and animals, united in desperation, carry water in makeshift buckets, silhouetted against the devastation. Amidst the ash, a small white kitten kneels, her green eyes wide with fear and desperate hope. Bathed in sunlight, a cozy wooden house radiates warmth as a kitten and dog stand proudly before their new home. With focused determination, the dog balances water pots, while the kitten carefully carries a frog, both approaching a young apple tree. Their friendship shines as they nurture the sapling, a symbol of their fresh start under the vast, hopeful sky.